gonna try something today that we haven't tried before. Ecodur 201R straight onto dirty asphalt. Obviously not recommended for street repair, but just to show the awesome strength that is Ecodur 201R. So here are the results from our dirty asphalt pull test. I didn't get a chance to put a fish scale on it and record the actual pulling because the neighbor's gardener thought he was helping out by removing this debris on the street. Anyhow, still a very interesting result. As you can see, none of the Ecodur 201R removed from the street, and even over dirty asphalt, I'd say about 50% of the surface actually removed asphalt with it. So you can see there we've got big chunks of asphalt removed, and they're perfect mirrors of the remaining asphalt, which indicates that nothing actually pulled away. So when we say that we not only don't require pressure washing, we don't need it, that's not a gimmick. This is because Ecodur 201R bonds so well that even over a dirty surface, you will have substrate failure before you will have Ecodur 201R failure.